Hey, hello again. Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. What you see behind me here is another great boat from Starcraft Marine. It's the LX20CB, which is a new model this year. We also have upgraded tubes on this model, 25-inch tubes, to increase the seating capacity to 10 people. So really nice features here on the outside. Come on aboard to the inside, and we'll show you what this boat has to offer. One of the first things I noticed is how much space this boat has. It seats up to 10, and it does it comfortably. So really plush furniture, really comfortable. Lots of cup holders for everyone on board. So really nice. There's great storage under each seat as well to keep all your safety equipment, those important things. If we come a little further back, you'll notice the composite helm. It's very durable. It looks good as well. It has all the features that you need. You have your RPM gauge, your fuel gauge, and your Helix 5 fish finder, depth finder, and water temp gauge. So really nice features there as well, along with your Bluetooth stereo so you can, cruise in style on your day on the lake. We feature a Yamaha outboard motor on this boat, anywhere between 10 horsepower and all the way up to 115 horsepower options. What makes this boat a little more unique in this model, you'll see this new couch right off the back of the boat. And while you can't use this couch while the boat's in motion, it's a great place to spend your day when you're relaxing on the lakes, whether you're watching the kids or grandkids swim, throwing a line in the water while you're relaxing. Really nice new feature back here from our friends at Starcraft. With anything the Charles Mill Marina sells, we do offer delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio at no charge to you, a full safety package, a mooring cover, and when you take possession of your boat, we're going to head out on the lake with you for, half hour, 45 minutes, go over this boat with you and make sure that you're totally comfortable using it. We're also going to handle all your titling and registration needs in-house. If you think this might be the boat for you, you can give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.